I think you have to go the extra mile. You have to take the customer to what their expectation is and then exceed that. Satisfied is their expectation. Surpassing that is remarkable.
When I show up to a house, the most important thing for me is I let the customer speak. And then we get to business, afterwards, and we sit down at a table, and then we go over options. To give them multiple options, 4 and 5 and 6 options, I think makes them a little bit more comfortable, right? And they get to choose what they want to pick.
The Road to Remarkable was really the brainchild of us trying to describe what the journey is in a service call. And it kind of memorializes all the steps that go with it and every single piece and every single person that is a part of that, because it is the whole company.
We have your back every step of the way. The Road to Remarkable for service professionals is that everybody who touches the customer is responsible for providing a remarkable experience. A thumbs up means job well done. We like to get that from our customers for every job that we do.
In the call center, the most important thing for us to really start the remarkable experience is to just make sure we're listening to what customers are saying, and that way we can make them feel comfortable and know that they've chosen the right company.
It's really nice to see that the employees, the team members, taking ownership in it, because you know that they take responsibility for making sure that the customer awards them that thumbs up, but they take it to heart and that they care.
And the more that we know is the more that we can answer the customer's questions.
We'll come right back out.
Identifying the need from the customer is gathering enough information to make sure that everybody on the team knows what to do.
I like walking in and someone saying this doesn't work or I don't have this and giving it to them and making them feel like we did something that they can see. This wasn't working, and now it is.
The Road to Remarkable means that you're going to be taken care of from beginning to end.
Service professionals calling for Dana. We are just reaching out as we see.
There's not one part of the process that we haven't gone over and perfected in order to make your experience with service professionals a remarkable one.
From the time the customer calls until we leave that customer's house, the support makes sure that everything gets done quickly. The phones are answered. Everything that we need is at our fingertips.
When we're all finished with every single piece of this Road to Remarkable, that thumbs up just gives us peace of mind that we gave the customer peace of mind and that we've got a customer for life.